most of the Indian restaurants in North America are Northern Indian restaurants. And when you sit down at the table, you get condiments, right? You get red onion chutney, you get green chutney, and you get tamarind chutney. This is the red onion chutney. It's not red onions, it's red chutney made with onions. Now, most restaurants serve red chutney with red food coloring. It's just an old traditional thing. You do not need red food coloring for this. This is onions, salt, lemon, paprika, and cayenne. So we're going to do a quick dice of a potato. Did I say potato? A quick dice of an onion. So for those of you who aren't really good at dicing onions, you can just hack away at it. But look, I'm holding the onion here. I'm cutting through the long way like that. Then I'm going to do like a sundial, and you notice I'm not going all the way to the end. I'm holding the end together so that, leaving the end together so that it holds together. Like a little sundial this way, and then I turn the onion like that, and I slice down, and I get beautiful, beautiful diced onions right here. This is gorgeous. And then this end piece, now I can just kind of go one way, turn it the other way, and we have nice, relatively even, they don't have to be too perfect diced onions. I want to grab a little spatula to put this into my bowl. I have a little Indian restaurant condiment bowl here. I thought it was kind of cute. I'm going to put my onions in here. Now what we need for this is we're going to actually use lemon juice to actually help cook the onions. So instead of it being this raw onion flavor, the acidity of the lemon juice is actually going to start to break down and cook our onions a bit. So let's do, I think the recipe calls for the juice of 2 whole lemons. These are pretty big, so I'm going to give you 1.5. All right? Lemon juice and onions. That's all you need. And then we're going to add our spices and our salt. All right. About a teaspoon of salt. Let me get a little spoonie in here. Give this a little stir. And then to this, we're going to add paprika and cayenne. So the paprika is not hot, of course. It's bitter and delicious, and the onions are sweet. And then cayenne. So cayenne is up to you. To me, I work with chilies all the time, and even though cayenne doesn't have the highest heat rating, cayenne to me is sometimes hot in the throat. So I'm going to go easy, about a teaspoon. I'm going to give this a nice stir. That lemon juice is going to activate the spices. Everything's kind of being cooked with acidity. Give it a stir. Leave it on your table with a piece of plastic wrap on it. I made this an hour ago, and look at how much juice came out of it from the lemons cooking the onions. So that's what this is going to end up looking like in about an hour. So, and this is great because it's not only a condiment for Indian food, it's great on rice, it's great on food, spoon down, but it's also, to me, awesome on like sandwiches. Put it in like a pita,